Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to discuss the natural minor key, how, when, and why to use it. So, first of all, let's have a look at the circle of fifths diagram. As we can see in the outer rim, this represents all of the major keys. Now, everything on the inner rim represents their relative minor. So, C's relative minor is A minor, G's is E minor, D's is B minor, and so on. Now, the way I think about it is that everything in life has a sense of duality, yin yang, order, chaos, light and dark, and music is no different. So C and A minor, they're the exact same key, as we can see in this diagram, but starting from a different point of view, you get a new perspective. On C, you have a bright sound, generally happy and light, whereas if I start the C major scale on A, I get a slightly darker sound. Now, how would you figure out a major key's relative minor? So I'm going to stick with this whole idea that the minor represents darkness, and the number 666 is like the devil's number, so this is how I remember it. You go to the 6th degree of your major scale, C majors is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and look, I'm on A. So then you just start the C major scale on A, and that's your relative minor. We can also try this on G. So G major is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to go to the 6th degree of G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, and look, in the circle of fifths, it's also E. So now I just start the G major scale on E. Remembering, in G major I have an F sharp and not an F natural. And that is E natural minor. So that's how I would figure out the relative minor of any major key. I would go to the 6th degree of the scale, or what you can also do is just go down 3 semitones, which is a minor third, and then that's also A. So let's do that on G as well. I can go up to the 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or I can just go down 3 semitones. They're both E, so you can get to it in 2 different ways. Now, another way of understanding the natural minor scale is with a formula. We learned that the formula for the major scale is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, the natural minor scale is 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 8. So I want to show you an example. A major, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A natural minor, 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 8. So you can get to it in 2 ways. You can think about it, well, what is the major relative? Or you can think about it in terms of this formula. Now, something not to be confused is the parallel minor. So this is C major and this is C minor. They're not actually called relatives, they're called parallels. So F major and F minor, they're parallel major and minor, and so on. But the relative is always the 6th degree of whatever scale you're in. Now we're going to have a quick look at the minor chords, and just like every major key has its own diatonic chord bank, the minors do too. And as we can see in this diagram, the chords are literally the exact same. They're just ordered differently, the same as the notes. So B diminished existed within the C major diatonic chord bank. Here it is again in the A minor diatonic chord bank. And F and G were major in C. They're also major in A. So it's literally the exact same thing. Some of you might be thinking, well, if they're the exact same notes, even the exact same chords, why are they even given a different name? And that actually used to confuse me, even up until college. And I used to think, wait, why are they even called different things? So the real reason is because of tonal center. If something is in the key of A minor, it feels like everything is returning back to that A. And the whole song is based around that A, and that A feels like home. But if you're in the key of C, or even if you're in the key for just part of the song, it feels like C is home. So it really is about the tonal center. That's the key difference. And if I'm being honest, when I write songs, I don't really think, oh, I'm in a major key, I'm going to stay in a minor key. I just drift between both of them. So here's an example of how I could start a song minor and then turn major. I'm minor, feeling kinda sad. How I wish this song would turn glad. Well, I am So you can see there, like the tonality just shifted. And obviously I was using words to demonstrate this as well. And then it turned a little bit brighter in sound. So you're not really stuck in one key. Obviously a song might be dominantly more minor than major, but really you can drift in between them, if I'm being honest. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope it's been a help. In the next video, I'm going to go over the harmonic and the melodic minor, which are just variants of the natural minor. But learn the natural minor first, because again, like everything in music, everything is built on everything else. So digest this information first and then have a look at the next video.